Invested interest. Pathway to prosperity.
Okay, so everyone's talking about making money with AI, right?
Yeah. Seems like it's the hot topic.
It is. And for good reason. We did a deep dive into some recent news from Invested Interest.
Oh, yeah.
And it turns out people are already using AI in some pretty awesome ways to, bring in some cash.
That's cool.
Yeah. So we wanted to break it all down for you guys, give you the inside scoop on what's working, and maybe spark some ideas.
Sounds good.
Okay, so first things first. Content creation.
Right.
Everyone's heard of ChatGPT by now, I'm sure.
Oh, definitely.
These AI tools are crazy powerful.
Yeah, for sure.
I mean, they can basically spit out blog posts, social media captions, you name it.
It's pretty wild. Like, you can basically have a first draft of an article in, minutes.
It's insane. Think about it. Like, if you're a freelancer or you've got a business and you need to pump out content all the time.
Absolutely. It's a game changer.
Right. Instead of spending hours writing, you could just use AI to get you started and then just polish things up.
Exactly. It frees up so much time.
It's mind-blowing. And it's not just about writing either. AI can even create art and designs.
Oh, yeah. That's been blowing up lately.
I know. It's crazy to think that AI can create unique pieces of art.
It is. And people are selling these creations online.
Really?
Yeah, as digital downloads or even as NFTs.
NFTs?
Like on Super Rare or Nifty Gateway. Some are even using AI art for marketing.
Wow, that's super creative.
It definitely is.
Okay, so we've got AI writing our content and making art for us. What else can it do?
Well, think about those little chat boxes that pop up when you visit a website.
Yeah, like the ones asking if you need help.
Exactly.
You've seen those everywhere lately.
And there's a reason for that. Those are AI chatbots, and they're becoming super popular for customer service.
Oh, that's interesting.
Companies are realizing that they can handle tons of customer questions, freeing up the actual human employees for more complex stuff.
That makes a lot of sense.
Yeah, so there's a lot of opportunity for people who can build these AI chatbots.
I could see that.
It involves understanding NLP, which is how computers understand language, so it's a bit more complex.
But if you have coding skills, that could be a really cool niche to get into.
Absolutely. It's a growing field, and businesses are willing to pay good money for it.
Wow. I'm starting to see how many ways there are to make money with AI.
Yeah, and we haven't even talked about social media yet.
Oh, right. AI can help with that too.
Definitely. Imagine never having to stress over writing the perfect Instagram caption again.
That sounds amazing.
AI tools can actually come up with content ideas, schedule your posts for the best times, and even analyze your engagement so you can see what's working.
It's like having your own AI social media manager.
Pretty much. It takes a lot of the guesswork out of social media.
That would save me so much time.
Exactly.
Okay, so we've covered AI for content, art, customer service, and even social media. Is there anything AI can't do?
Well, predicting the future with complete accuracy is still a bit beyond its reach. But when it comes to investing, AI is becoming a pretty powerful tool.
Oh, interesting. How so?
There are platforms that use AI to analyze market data like Kavout or trading technologies.
I've heard of those, yeah.
They can spot trends and assess risks in ways that humans just can't because they can process so much information.
So it's like having a super smart research assistant for your portfolio.
Kind of, but it's important to remember that AI isn't foolproof.
Right. It's a tool, not a crystal ball.
Exactly. You still need to do your own research and understand your own risk tolerance.
That's a good reminder.
Yeah. Never invest more than you can afford to lose.
Absolutely. Okay, so to sum it all up, we've learned that AI can help us write, create art, handle customer service, manage social media, and even invest smarter. It's pretty incredible.
It really is. And this is just the beginning. As AI keeps evolving, we're going to see even more ways to use it to make money.
I can't wait to see what the future holds.
Yeah.
So for everyone listening, think about what really excites you about AI. Do you love to write? Are you a design whiz? Maybe you have a knack for coding. What unique skills or resources can you bring to the table?
There are so many possibilities out there.
I think that's what's so exciting about this whole AI thing. It's like a wide open frontier just waiting to be explored.
And who knows, maybe you'll be the one to come up with the next big AI moneymaker.
Exactly. So go out there, do your research, and see what you can create.
Yeah, dive in and see where AI can take you.
That's a great way to put it. All right, everyone. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive into the world of earning with AI.
Until next time.
See ya.